Hi dears, you are all welcome for the day 2 class. Before enter the topic, we will learn a good thing. Today's good thing is, don't tear the papers unnecessary, keep your things safe. Don't tear the paper unnecessary, keep your things safe. Let's see the class. Already we learned lesson 1, living and non-living things. What is the title of the lesson? Living and non-living things. What is meant by living thing and non-living thing and their features. Today also we are going to learn features of living and non-living things. Now take your Oxford Seasons book page number 127. Take your Oxford Seasons book page number 127. What is the next one features? Living things can grow. Living things can grow. Okay. Yes. Now keep your index finger. Plants and animals grow with time. Plants and animals grow with time. Baby grow into a adult. Baby grow into adults, pups grow into a dog, okay, and small plants grow into a big tree because these are all the living thing, okay. Plants and animals can grow because these are all the living thing. The baby will grow into adults and then pups grow into dog, small plant will grow into tree. Have you ever seen a non-living thing such as a cricket bat grow longer or a cricket ball grow to the size of a football? This is possible? A cricket ball will grow into a football? No, this is not possible because that is a non-living thing. Non-living thing cannot grow. Why not? This is because non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not grow. Okay. So all animals have an adult size up to which they grow. All animals have an adult size up to which they grow. Plants keep growing new branches or leaves as long as they live. As long as they live. For example, one seed will grow into the plant. The plant will grow into the big tree. So, and then big tree give the new branches and then leaves. This is a growing. This is growing. Understand what I am saying? Plants keep growing new branches or leaves as long as they live. A mango seedling grow into a small mango plant. The small mango plant grow into big mango tree. Over time, a brinjal plant also grow in this similar way. See, they have given one seed. How the seed will grow? They have, and then they give the roots, and then the root after the seed will grow into one sapling, and then plant will give the big plant, and then after the plant will give the brinjal vegetable. Okay, like this the seed will grow into a big plant, and then finally the plant will be a tree. Understood? This is a growing. This is growing. So living things can grow, but non-living things cannot grow their size. Okay, living things grow up to their adult size. Adult size. This is one of the features of living thing. Shall we see next one? This is next one. Living things move. Living things move. What we see first one? Living things grow, and then living things move. Why the living things want to move? Because they want to search of food or shelter. Okay, the animal want to move from one place to other places because they have to need the food and shelter. Okay, so living things move. Animals can move about in different ways. Human beings can move from one place to other places by walk. Okay, like this animals can move about in different ways. What are the different ways? They can run, jump, leap. Leap means தாவுறது. Fly, flutter, slither, crawl, waddle or swim. So animals can move about in different ways. All animals go in search of food. All animals go in search of food. All animals want to move from one place to another place because they want to eat the food. They are depending others. Plant or other animals flesh. Okay, so they want to move from one place to another place. And then turn the page number 128. Take page number 128 in your Oxford Seasons book. Plants grow in one place. They cannot walk around like us. Plants also show their movement, but they cannot walk around like us. Okay, so They make their own food, but certain parts of a plant do move. Earlier classes we learned plants do not move from one place to another place, but show their movement the parts of the plant. Okay, so the roots go down into the soil in search of water. Roots go down into the soil in search of water. The stem move upwards in search of sunlight. The root go down into the soil in search of water, and then the stem move upwards in search of sunlight. So this is the movement of the plants. Okay, the plant will not move from one place to another place, but the parts of the plant, the stem move upwards and then root move downwards. Okay, this is the movement of the plants. The roots go down into the soil in search of water. The stem move upwards in search of sunlight and air. Non-living things cannot move from one place to another place on their own. The chair can move by ourselves? No, because the chair is a non-living thing. Okay, so non-living thing cannot move by own from one place to another place. Now living things can only do this activities. Non-living things such as tables, chairs and cupboards cannot move by themselves. They move only if you push or pull them. If I am pushing this table means the table will move, right? If I am pushing pull the table means the table will move, but the table will not move by themselves. Cars and buses move only if someone drives them. A ball will move only if it is kicked, hit or thrown. If I am kicked a ball means the ball will hit on the wall. Okay, otherwise the ball will not move by ourselves. Okay, so non-living things cannot move by themselves. Non-living things cannot move by themselves. Living things only can move from one place to another place, like plants do not move from one place to another place, but parts of the plant only show the movement. Okay, for example, the root go down into the soil in search of water, and then stem move upwards and go in search of sunlight. But animals move from one place to another place in search of shelter and food. Okay, so this is the second features. And then third is living things need food. Living things need food. Why we want to eat the food? Because we have energy. Living things need food. Okay, this is also one of the features of living thing. See, all living things need food to grow, because we have to grow. No, we are all living things, that's why we want food. Can we live without food? Can we live without food? No, that is not possible, because we are all the living thing. If we eat the food means we will grow. Okay, so we cannot. So they want food. Food gives us energy to work. Food gives us energy to work. Animals feed on other animals or on things that they get from plants. If some animals eat the other plants like sheep, goat, these are all eating the other plants, but some animals eating the flesh of other animals. So the animals are depending on others, like plants are other animals. Okay. Cow, goats, zebra eat the grass. These are all eating the plant like grass. Tigers and lion eat deer or other animals. Tiger and deer eat the other animals. Human beings eat many kinds of food. Human beings can eat some vegetables or plants or like this animals, fish, chicken, mutton, like that. Okay, so plants also feed and get rid of waste materials. All green plants make their own food. I am already told plants can make their own food with the help of chlorophyll. What? Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green substance that is present in the leaves. The chlorophyll, sunlight, air and water. Okay, so these are all important things. The plant prepare their own food. Okay, with the help of chlorophyll, sunlight, air and water, the plant prepare their own food. Chlorophyll is present in the leaves, that's why the leaf looks like a green color. Yes, plants also feed and get rid of waste materials. All green plants make their own food. The presence of air, water and sunlight. The green leaves are like a factory. The green leaves are like a factory, because all the time for the plant the leaves only make their own food. That's why we are calling, which is the factory of the plant? Leaves. Leaves are called the factory of the plant. Leaves are called the factory of the plant. They make food for the plant. You will learn more about this later. Okay, so that process, the plants prepare their own food, that process is called photosynthesis. With the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, air, water, the plant prepare their own food. What is the name? What is the process? Photosynthesis. PHOTO, photo, SYNTHESIS. Photosynthesis. Okay, the plant prepare their own food. The process is called photosynthesis. Understand? Yes. Now turn the page number 129 in your Oxford Seasons book. Yes. Keep your finger. Chairs and tables do not feel hungry. Chairs and table do not feel hungry because these are the living thing or non-living thing? Non-living thing. So they do not need food as they are non-living thing. Because that is a non-living thing, so no need to eat the food. Okay. What are all the things we learned today? Living things grow up to their adult age. Okay, adult size. Living things can grow up to their adult size. And then living things move. Living things move, like animals move from one place to another place because of their basic need, food and shelter. And then plants do not move from one place to another place but show the movement of the parts of the plant. Okay, and then living things need food because they are the living thing, so they want energy. That's why they need food. Okay. Yes. So other features we'll see the next class. Homework for today is you have to draw how the seed germinate into the plant and then plant will change to the tree. You have to draw and mark the parts of the plant. Okay, and send it to my WhatsApp number. Color the picture and then send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you dears. We'll meet in the next class.